Have you ever noticed that something strange? Sometimes the cheapest product on the shelf looks almost the same as the expensive one. Same time, same purpose, and sometimes even the same promises on the box. So naturally, many people ask one simple question: why pay more? But then after a few weeks or month, the cheap one stop working, cracks here, or simply gives up. Suddenly, what looked like a smart deal become a frustrating mistake. So why does this happen so often? The answer usually starts with material. Many low-cost products are made with cheaper plastic, thinner metal, weaker glue, or lower grade fabric. At first glance, you may not notice the difference. A plastic handle can look strong, but inside it may be hollow or made from brittle material. A cable may look normal, but the wire inside is thinner and weaker. A shirt may feel fine in the story, but after a few washes, the stitching begins to loosen. These small hidden choices help manufacture reduce costs, but they also reduce lifespan. Another reason is manufacturing quality. When companies try to sell product at the lowest possible price, they often need to make them very quickly and in huge number. Faster production can mean less attention to detail. Screws may not be tightened properly, part may not fit perfectly. Glue may not cure long enough. Tiny flaws that seem unimportant on day one can become major problem after regular use. A button stop clicking, a zipper jams, a wheel become loose, small weakness grow over time. Testing is also a big factor. Better brand often spend many testing product before selling them. They drop devices and cable wash fabric and simulate month of use. This helps them find weak point and improve the design. Cheaper product may skip some of this testing to save money and release item faster. That means the customer become the real tester. If something break after 2 months, the company may already be selling the next batch. So next time you buy something, don't only ask how much does it cost, ask how long will it last, because something the cheapest product is the most expensive choice in the end.